Guys, welcome to the channel. Get some sun with Paz. We're at Bellapais Abbey, up the Kyrenia mountains. Let's go and have a look around. Yeah, so guys, we've joined a tour with Jet 2. We've been to Famagusta, the old town, and then we're having a drive up to the Kyrenia mountains. We're halfway up there now, and this is Bellapais Abbey, or the ruins of. I don't know if it's still in use. Let's go and have a look. This beautiful archway, and look at the views beyond it. Guys, that's amazing. Guys, I tell you what, it is mega hot up here. Sweat is dripping off me. It's like I've been in the shower or something. So you can see the mountains behind me. This is the Kyrenia mountains. Absolutely gorgeous. It's very, very dry on this side. But when we get over the peak and we get down to the other side into Kyrenia, it's supposed to be very green. The winds on this side of the island are very dry, very hot, and on the other side it's very humid, very wet. So you get a lot more greenery. It's a little bit like the island of Tenerife when you go over Mount Teide. So we're going to have a look inside the abbey now. You do need tickets to get in there, but because we booked it with Jet 2, they've already paid for the tickets. And if you're on Cyprus, if you're on the southern side, get an excursion over here. Have a look at Kyrenia, have a look at Famagusta and Varosha, and it's very interesting. There's a lot of history over here, so let's go and have a look at the abbey. So guys, this is the abbey. These are the ruins. The abbey is still in use, as you've seen inside. There's still people in there, but I think it's mostly being used for tourism. But it is a beautiful place to come and visit. The mountains just behind. They do really tower over you. You can't really tell that from the camera, but they do really tower over you. We're going to have a look at the view over there in a second. You can see down into Kyrenia. That's going to be our next stop, so we'll do some filming down there for you guys. And that is the town of Kyrenia down there, or at least I think it is. We're going to find out because that's where we're heading to next. So guys, come on. I'm going to try and set the drone up. Give you a shot from above. Come on. Let's go and get it up there. So guys, thank you again for joining us on our trip to Bellapais Abbey. We're off now down to Kyrenia. If you've liked what you're seeing, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications. We'll see you in a bit when we're down there.